We have a very big mega project of ours which has been going on for 3 years in making, which is called as, there if you see, Giggles and Jiggles. Giggles and Jiggles has been my favorite product, and we have done a lot of research on Giggles and Jiggles. And today, in this boat, we will be launching Giggles and Jiggles. Sangeeta, can I have Giggles and Jiggles? This is Giggles and Jiggles nursery. This is a pack of 4 books from nursery. Sangeeta, come in. This is a pack of 4 books from nursery. Take the books out. This is the English book for nursery. This is a maths book for nursery. This is a GK book for nursery. This is rhymes and the storytelling. And then we have changed the whole concept of education with Giggles and Jiggles LKG and UKG. There is a totally a brand new concept which has come up. The idea is, normally when you say kindergarten, kindergarten is all about the concepts. Meaning, when a child is coming to kindergarten, he is supposed to know the concepts, the basic concepts of the life itself. Now, what is the meaning of concept? The meaning of concept is the fruit is a concept. A vegetable is a concept. The number system is a concept. Understood? Vehicles, transportation, traffic, all these things are concepts. If you take any book of any publisher or any curriculum of any school, they will teach these concepts and concepts only. What we have done is, all these concepts put together, like in Lilliput if you see, there is a fruits page, there is a vegetable page, there is a transportation page. And then it is correlated with toddler, and they does the toddler worksheets. So it is kind of a 2-pronged theory, Lilliput and toddler. With Giggles and Jiggles, what we have done is, the concept which has to come into the mind of the child, we have developed concept-based books and put them in one kit. We call it as the Giggles and Jiggles. For the fruits, there will be a separate book. For vegetables, there will be a separate book. I'll show you. Now, in this Giggles and Jiggles LKG, one book is of rhymes and storytelling. Now, here it is. There's a file actually, I'll show you. This is for GK. Now, here, it's folded like this. Can you open one file? Now this is an 8-page book which is called as My Body, My Family. And then, what is this? My Home, My School. Okay. Now here, open the show, page by page. Now in every book, the first 2 pages of every book will be the textbook. టెక్స్ట్ బుక్ లో ఏ పేపర్ ఉంటుందో అదే ఇక్కడ ఉంటుంది, సరేనా? And then these 2 pages are activities. So related with this concept only, these 2 activities are there. And again here in every 7th page there will be a coloring activity. On every 7th page, there will be a coloring activity. On the 8th page here, we have something called a paper animation. This is the first time in India that we are introducing. I'll show you one demonstration. See, this is the negative here with me, and this is the book. So, when the teacher is teaching about this book, there is a fan also here, which she is telling. Now, with this help, she will be able to explain to the children how the fan is working without having a fan and without having any computer or anything. You're understanding? So, this is the power of this book. And then you have English. In this, there are 26 letters in the English language. So there are 26 books. Each one letter has one book. Now here, now again, this is the picture book. Normally they take A for all these objects. Okay, and then here A for apple. The practice is going on for the child. Next page. There's the lowercase. And then the activity for the lowercase. And then the uppercase here. So again, activity for the uppercase. Now here, coloring only for the A letter. They will color only the A letter here. Again, objects of A. Again, at the back, animation. So, the child will be with the book for 4 days. So, concept is developing. What happens? In the class, he always tells the teacher, I have got the A book with me. Instead of saying B book, instead of saying just the book, he's saying, I am having the A book. He's already practicing. Understand? If he's got the B book, he's saying, I am having the B book with me. There's an automatic practice, you understand? If I have the number 1 book, I am telling I am having the number 1 book. So the concept is developing. You are understanding? That's the greatness of this Giggles and Jiggles. And then you have the maths book. Now here it is numbers book 1 and 2. Understood? So this particular book was ready for this season itself, but we thought it fit enough to launch it next year. But to whomever we have shown, we were able to sell. We showed it to only 4 schools, and all the 4 schools have ordered to us. And all India, our products are there with a company called, you are aware of it. Do you know that? Schools, there are more than 150 schools throughout the country. Blackstone books are there since 4 years, and this year also they have taken Giggles and Jiggles from us. More than 1,500 copies. Okay? Same way, we have for the UKG. In UKG, we have an extra book called as the cursive writing book, because cursive writing is introduced at the UKG level. And again we have maths, then we have GK, and then we have English. Okay? Thank you, Sangeeta.